Hi, my name is Marcio from the 3M Commercial Solutions Division. I'd like to talk to you today about proper window film application. For window film, 3M recommends over-lamination. This is for protection of the ink as well as easy to install, easy to remove. For perforated window film, 3M recommends it to keep the water and debris out, making it much easier to look out the windows. For clear film installation, I'm going to take a solution of detergent and water, spray the glass, and put the graphic up liner side in. And we'll put the film up there. And we'll come over here and we'll squirt this. Actually take the film off the liner. We'll put a solution of detergent and water in the background that'll allow the graphic to be able to slide. We can slide it right into position. We'll get that right where we want, and we can lock it down in place. We'll also spray the front, reduce the amount of friction, and very lightly we will tack down the middle. And we'll divide that into two sides. Again, we're doing this very lightly. We don't want to seal the edges. We want to make sure we let the water flow out the edges. The first time I squeegeed, I did it fairly lightly. We just wanted to lock it into position. Now I'm squeegeeing it a lot harder. What I'm trying to do now is make sure all the water is completely out of it. The very last thing we'll do is squeegee the edges. I'm wiping it to make sure we don't end up with any water spots. And make sure to wipe it away from the edge. Do not wipe it in towards the edge. If it does look milky at all, that will come off within 24 hours or so. Always wipe from the center outward. And there you have it.